Hello, so in this video I will tell you about a method on how to test a new plugin or theme on your website. So if your website is live and you have a lot of visitors coming on your website, you will not like to use a plugin or theme that will destroy or break your website. Okay, so for that you may like to test that plugin on a testing environment where the change should not show to the users, and you can view the change as an admin so that you can decide whether you will like to continue or if you will like to use that new plugin or theme on your website. And if you like to use, you can do the same change on your live website. Okay, so for in this video I will tell you this thing on how to set up a testing environment, and then how to use different plugins and themes on that, and how to make changes to your live website once you have finalized that you are going to use which plugin and which theme. Okay, so for that you will come to the WordPress website. So this is my personal blog where I post online earning blogs and some hosting guides. So I will go to the dashboard to show you example. So I have this website and I don't like to make changes on the live website. So for that I create a testing environment, and then I test new plugins or themes over that, and then I move the changes or I make the same changes on the live website. Okay, so for that you will have to go to plugins and install a new plugin. You will click on add new. So here you have to search WP staging. So this is the plugin, you can install it. Activate. So the plugin is installed, and once you have installed that plugin you will see this option over here. You will go to the staging sites. So here to create a staging setup you will create new staging site, and here you will type in the name. You can maybe use the date or any name that you like. Okay, so on the database just don't change anything and don't change any file as well. So just click on this start cloning button. So I already have a cloned website, so this will take some time, and once it's done you will see a site, staging site like this. So once if you want to access that you can just click on this URL. So here you will have to type in your password. So this will be same as your live website. Okay, so here you can see all the details related to that, and you can delete it, reset it, update it, or you can open it. So it is loaded. You can see the interface. This is different because I created this staging setup earlier and I tried new theme, and I didn't wanted to make this change on the live website, so I never made this change on my live website. Okay, so here you can see this admin bar is orange because it is staging environment, and if you want to install a new plugin you can just install the plugin and see what changes that plugin make to your website. So sometime you may want to use different speed optimization plugins or something like that, so if you will like to test that first, and then if you will like to move forward with it then you can make the same change on your live website. So here we can maybe change the theme. So Let me activate this theme. So the theme is activated and I will visit to the website, and here you can see the interface is changed a bit. And now if I like this interface and if I see that there is no issue on the staging environment, then I will go to my live website and then I will make the change over here as well. So here you just have to you can see that this link is different from your will be different from your real domain. Okay, so this will not be indexed as well on Google, so you will not have any SEO related issue as well. So once you have finalized that you are going to use whichever theme that you like on the staging environment, then you can move to the website, and here you can just make the same change, or you can get this uh, plugin pro version to move that change to your live website, and you will not have to make that change on the live website manually. So this paid plugin gives the option to push the staging website to production website. So if you want to move that from your staging website to the production website, then you can get the pro version. Otherwise you can just make the same change on the live website manually. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos.